Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about serverless cloud computing. What is serverless cloud computing, also known as function as a service? It's a cloud computing model where developers can write and deploy code without having to manage the underlying infrastructure or servers. For example, if you take any application that can be a .NET, Java, Node.js, any other kind of application, you need some of the deployment environment. So you have to host your application somewhere in the server. No, but in this case, you don't need to worry about underlying infrastructure like VM or web server or any other thing. So automatically, serverless cloud computing will arrange those things dynamically at runtime and execute your application. Only the developer, as a developer or a company, you need to worry about your business logic. You don't need to worry about underlying infrastructure that is taken care by third-party vendors like Azure, Amazon, and Google Cloud. So what does it serverless means? No server exists? It's not true. Server exists. So whatever the application you return, that need to be deployed somewhere in the some infrastructure. But that infrastructure procurement and everything will be taken care by cloud vendors automatically at runtime with very less time. For that, you don't need to procure entire infrastructure. For example, if you take any non-computer application, if you have your own vehicle, uh, either two-wheeler or four-wheeler, right? You can travel to your office or any common areas like bus terminus or airport and all. But if there is a special occasion where the presence of your relatives is welcome and we need to arrange some transportation and hospitality, in general, that time we will arrange some Ola cabs or Uber cabs or some booking some heavy vehicle like bus and all based on the number of audience relatives you are coming, right? But you are not going to buy your car or your bus for that only for that particular occasion. You are renting that service for particular time. Either you want to go from your home to the airport or airport to home, and you are paying only for that particular time and particular distance. You paying what you have utilized. In this case, what you remember is you are not owning that particular car or particular infrastructure. Similar to that, even computers, when you have a something like Black Friday deals, or you have some football game or cricket game, you wanted to sell your tickets. That is happening only few times, right? In the over the year, maybe during the festival or during the match. For that, you don't need to buy everything like uh, VMs and network and everything. You don't need to buy. So you can implement your logic to how to sell your tickets. After it is done, you can dispose your overall infrastructure. You don't need to worry. So these are the few examples from the cloud, like from Azure, Azure Functions, Azure Logic Apps, Azure Service Bus, Azure Event Hub is the few resources which supposed to supporting for serverless computing. Same time, from AWS, Lambda, Gateway. I hope you got some insight into it. Thanks for watching.